Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to revise some of the fundamental geometrical terms which you have already studied in your previous classes, such as point, line, plane, light segment, ray, etc. First, let us understand what is a point. A point indicates an exact location in a space, and we use a faint dot to represent a point. We usually use capital letters of the English alphabet to represent points like point A, point B, point C, etc. And point is the simplest of all the geometrical figures having a position but no dimensions. Here, if you look at all these points, you can see that a point doesn't have length, breadth and height. Now consider 2 points A and B. If I mark all the points which comes in between the points A and B and join all these points, I will get a figure like this. And this is known as a line segment. Here A and B are the end points of this line segment. So a line segment is a straight path containing the points A and B and all the points between A and B. And this line segment can be named like this, AB. Then we will draw a small bar above AB. Now let's see what is a line. A line is a straight path that extends endlessly in both the directions. Look here. Here, this line segment extends on both the directions without having an end point. So this is a line, and lines are represented by small letters of the English alphabet like L, M, N, etc. So a line segment is a straight path that extends on both the directions endlessly. If a line has one endpoint and that extends indefinitely in one direction, that line is known as a ray. Consider this line which starts from this point and it extends in this direction without having an endpoint. So this line is a ray. And if I mark this endpoint as O, and if I take any point on this ray as A, then I can name this ray as ray OA. Now consider this ray OA. If I rotate this ray in this direction without moving the end point O until this point, we will get a figure like this, and the space obtained in between these two rays is called an angle. So, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by rotating a single ray about its vertex or the end point, and the amount of its rotation, that is, how much the ray has rotated, can be measured using the unit called degree. You can use the instrument called protractor to measure an angle. The next definition is plane. A plane is a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all the directions. The walls, the floors of your room, the surface of a sheet of paper, the surface of a tabletop, a phone screen, etc. are all examples of a plane. And that's all for today's class. Thank you.